windows displays are really important for us because obviously it gives us attention to detail when we're going out on viewings and appointments, and it also gives the customers a slight briefing of when they're looking at window displays what the properties already look like and what's inside. A lot of people, obviously Thetford's a very busy town, and when people walk past it does be able to get their attention, and then for us it's the easy way to have a conversation with them. The generation we live in now, not everyone's wanting to be glued to the phones anymore. So when people are able to just walk or drive by, see our signs or even see our office, it's ideal for them just to quickly have a look and see what we do have rather than just being glued to the phone all the time. We get leads coming through all the time just from people looking through the window, pop it in, asking a question, and then the ball rolls from there. The service we receive from Kremer signs has been absolutely spot on. They've been with us for many years now that we've been using them. They're market leaders, and like I said, everything we ever use or ask for them has been spot on.